Hi team, today I'm going to show you some examples of how we can use Cypress to test the DemoBlaze website. With Cypress, we can automate a wide range of tests, including functional tests, integration, and also end-to-end testing. This helps us to ensure that the DemoBlaze application is of high quality and meets the needs of our users. So here you will see the code made in TypeScript for the login functionality, a successful flow, and also an unsuccessful or unhappy path. So I will open the Cypress interface. Here you will see the different aspects. The first one is the login that I just shown in Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to click here login, and it's going to open a browser in the local host, and it's going to execute the different sentences. Let's wait. Loading. So for the login, the first thing we are going to do is test the login functionality. We will start by visiting the login page and then entering a valid username and password, and we will then click the login or confirmation button and verify that we are successfully logged in. So it's running. This is the website, demoblaze.com. Okay, paths, and then the unsuccessful login, entering invalid credentials. So here we can check the different steps and also an answer for the confirmation, because after we enter the credentials and click on the login, we should visualize the welcome admin message, and we can confirm if the login was successful or not. For the unsuccessful login, we don't expect the welcome message. So this is the first flow. Let's jump to the second one, which is check categories. For check categories, this is the code, and I can select again here in the Cypress tool, in this like a dashboard. Let's click in filter category. So we will test the category functionality. We will start by visiting the home page and then verifying that all of the expected categories are displayed. In this case, there are 3 categories: phones, laptops, and monitors. So using the same or a similar answer than the login, we can confirm that the phones is displayed, same for laptops and monitors. And the final flow is, is the purchase functionality. So we will test the purchase functionality by adding a product to the cart and then proceeding to checkout. We will then enter a valid credit card number and other required information and complete the purchase. So we will then verify that the purchase was successful or also unsuccessful. This is the happy path and the unhappy path without filling the credit card information. I'm going to click on this spec and let's wait. So the first end-to-end flow, a successful purchase. I would like to buy a Samsung Galaxy S6. Click add to cart, then place order, fill this form with the information and then wait the confirmation message. And for the unsuccessful purchase, I won't see the confirmation message because I don't enter the credit card information. So that's why when I click on the purchase button, I don't see any confirmation message. So here it is similar. In this case, we expect this message, thank you for your purchase, and I can map this message, and we will see the complete information about this purchase with an ID, the amount, how much it costs the product, the card number entered, the customer name, and the date. Well, now I'm going to jump to the SQL part. This is my SQL workbench. I'm going to click on my local instance, previous created, entering my password, and I'm going to open the queries created. So for the first query, this one, this query selects the agent ID, the agent name, and the amount of the order with the highest amount. So the join clause combines the order and agent tables to the agent ID column, and the order by clause sorts the results by the amount column in descending order, and the limit one clause limits the results to the first row. So I'm going to execute only this one and show you the results. Something is happening. Okay, now this is the result. The agent ID is the number 7, the agent name is Liam, and the amount is 2,654. So here in the left side we can see the different tables. The first one, the agent table with the different columns previous created. Same for customer table and the final one, orders table. So let's continue with the second query. This is the second query. So for the second query, this calculate the total amount of all orders placed by agent 11, which is safe, and the sum function, the sum function aggregates the amount column to calculate the total amount. So I'm going to execute only the second query, and this is the grand total of the amount, 789. The third query, this query selects the name and ID of all customers who have not placed any orders. So the left join clause combines the customer and orders tables on the customer ID columns. So the where clause, this one, filters the results to only include customers who do not have a matching row in the orders table. So I'm going to execute this. Those are the results, the customer's names and the ID founded. And the next one, the query number 4, this one. This query calculates the number of customers for each agent. So the inner join clause combines the orders table and agent tables to the agent ID column, ensuring that only rows with a matching row in both tables are returned. And the group by clause groups the results by agent ID. The count function aggregates the customer ID column to calculate the number of customers for each agent. And the having clause filters the results to only include agents with more than one customer. So the same, this is the result, the agent name hook and the number of customers, two customers associated to this agent. And the final, the query number 5, this query selects the name and date of all orders placed on November 19 of 2015. So the inner join clause combines the order and customer tables on the customer ID column, ensuring that only rows with a matching row in both tables are returned. And the where clause filters the results to only include orders placed on November 19 of 2015. Executing the query, those are the results, phrases and lisot and the corresponding date. Thank you for your time.